To make a DoorDash complaint, start by gathering all relevant information about your order, including the order number, date, and details of the issue. This will help you to clearly explain the problem when you contact DoorDash customer support. Next, visit the DoorDash website and click on the Help tab. Then select Contact Us from the drop-down menu. You can also access the contact form by clicking on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the DoorDash app and selecting Help. Choose the type of issue you are experiencing, such as a problem with your order, a missing item, or a refund request. You will then be prompted to enter your order number and a brief description of the issue. When describing the issue, be clear and concise, and provide as much detail as possible. For example, if your order was missing an item, specify the item that was missing and the restaurant that prepared the order. After submitting your complaint, you will receive an email from DoorDash confirming that they have received your request. A customer support representative will then review your complaint and contact you to resolve the issue. It is also possible to make a complaint by phone or through the DoorDash app. To do this, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the app. Select Help, and then choose the type of issue you are experiencing. You will then be given the option to call or email customer support. When making a complaint, it is essential to remain calm and polite, as this will help to ensure that the issue is resolved quickly and efficiently. Remember to have your order number and other relevant details ready, and be clear and concise when explaining the problem. By following these steps, you can make a DoorDash complaint and get help with any issues you are experiencing with your order. Remember to always check the DoorDash website or app for the most up-to-date contact information, and to review the company's refund and cancellation policies before making a complaint.